Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something exciting for all you fashion-forward folks out there. We're diving into the world of affordable yet stylish purses with Montana West tote bags. And guess what? They're all under $20. Now, let's talk about why these Montana West tote bags are making waves as the best purses for women under $20. First off, let's talk about the sheer versatility of these bags. Whether you're headed to work, running errands, or out for a night on the town, these totes have got you covered. Crafted from high-quality vegan leather, these bags are both durable and stylish. And with a spacious interior and multiple pockets, organizing your essentials has never been easier. But here's the best part. They're not just practical, they're also super chic. The timeless design and minimalist aesthetic mean they pair perfectly with any outfit, from casual to dressy. And did I mention the bonus? Each tote comes with a matching wallet, making it a complete set for all your accessory needs. So there you have it, folks. Montana West tote bags, the best purses for women under $20. Affordable, stylish, and practical. What more could you ask for? Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy shopping!